This lecture explains the main ideas behind the Islamic way of handling money and the economy. It's not just about getting rich, it's about being fair, ethical, and responsible. Part 1. The basic rules, the what and how. Imagine the Islamic economic system as a house. Its foundation is Tawhid, the belief that everything belongs to God, and we are just looking after it for Him. This leads to several key rules. 1. No exploitation. Riba, interest, is completely forbidden. You can't make money just from lending money. Money must be used for real, productive work. 2. Wealth sharing. Zakat is a mandatory 2.5% tax on savings to help the poor. It ensures wealth keeps moving in society and doesn't just sit with a few people. 3. Be fair and clear. Gharar, uncertainty, risk, and maisir, gambling, are prohibited. Contracts must be clear and fair to everyone. Share the risk. Instead of interest, Islam encourages partnerships like Mudarabah. One provides money, the other provides work. And Musharakah. Both invest and share profit to loss. Faith, ethical earnings. You can only earn from Halal, allowed sources. Earning money from forbidden things like alcohol or gambling is not permitted. You can own, but responsibly. You have the right to private property, but you must use it in a way that doesn't harm others and benefits society. 7. Free but fair market. The market is free, but the government must step in to stop cheating, hoarding, and monopolies to keep prices fair. The ultimate goal is Falah, success in this life and the next. To achieve this, the economic system aims to fulfill basic human needs. Ensure everyone has enough food, shelter, and security so they can live with dignity and practice their faith. Create justice and fairness. Reduce the gap between rich and poor using zakat, inheritance laws, and charity. Eliminate poverty. Encourage work, trade, and self-reliance while banning systems that keep people poor. Protect the environment. Use resources wisely and sustainably because we are only caretakers of the earth for future generations. In short, the Islamic economic system is a balanced model that combines material progress with spiritual and moral values to build a just and caring society.